Hi, I am Howard, and this is my first video blog or vlog. I'm going to start doing these every week, I think, and it's going to be a lot easier, and I'm a lazy boy, so that's a plus. I just finished a 25-mile bike ride, and it's very windy outside, and I had to work pretty hard. But I was thinking about what I wanted to say in my first vlog, and some of the things I wanted to talk about included the economy and the real estate market, the practice of architecture right now, or even in the future, what kind of things we can look forward to, green ideas, green architecture. Some other things were popping in and out of my head. Even my dog here, you can't see him, but his name's Truman. But what I decided to talk about was my bicycling. If you've read this blog at all, you know that I post a lot of stories about my bicycling. And since last week was the 4th anniversary of when I began bicycling, I figured this is probably the best time to do it. Just right out of the bat, right out of the gun, right out of the chute. Anyway, when I started bicycling on October 12th, 2005, I bought a touring bike, or it's more of a hybrid bicycle, which you might see over my right shoulder here. It was a piece of junk. It was a heavy bike, but I really loved it, and I rode it everywhere. And that first year in 2005, between October 12th and December 31st, I rode exactly 500 miles. I got the last 4 or 5 miles the night of New Year's Eve when I went out and rode around my parents' neighborhood, just a couple of miles just to make sure I got that 500th mile. Since then, I've done 8,000 miles in 2006. I did 10,000 miles in 2007. I did 9,000 miles in 2008, and so far this year in 2009, I have done just a little bit over 8,000 miles, about 8,030 miles when you include the 25-mile bike ride that I did today. This year, with that 8,030 miles, it took me about 460 hours of time. Being an unemployed architect helps to be able to do all that time on the bike, but in past years I did lots and lots of miles too, as I just told you, and I was a fully practicing architect at that time as well. So it's easier if you're unemployed, but you can still do it if you have a job to do and you have other obligations. But 460 hours. What that means is that at my particular size, and I'm a pretty big guy, and I ride pretty hard. I average about 18 miles an hour. That includes slower rides with friends, or 14 or 15 miles an hour, and some really faster rides with some other friends where we're going 23 miles an hour, or on average, and sometimes a lot faster than that. We're going downhill. Anyway, I average about 18 miles an hour, and at my size, I burn about 900 to 1,000 calories per hour. I did some math and determined that among that, if you take that 460 hours of time I rode in 2009 and multiply it by 900 calories, it came out to a whole bunch of calories. And if you know this, and I'll just throw out a little bit of scientific fact, it takes about 3,500 calories to add a pound. If you eat 3,500 calories more than you burn, you will add a pound of weight. If you burn 3,500 calories more than you eat, you will lose a pound. So whatever that number was, and I don't have it off the top of my head, I do know that if I hadn't ridden my bicycle for those 460 hours, but I had eaten everything that I have eaten so far today, I would weigh 118 pounds more than I do right now. Well, fortunately, I did do the bicycling, and I didn't have to go on a diet to keep the pounds off. I could eat and eat and eat and still stay at a fairly moderate weight. I could stand to lose some more weight, but I'm pretty comfortable where I am right now. So I've done a lot of epic things on the bicycle, and I've written about those before. But when I took up bicycling 4 years ago, I didn't know that it was going to have this much impact on my life. but it did, and I would highly recommend it to anybody and everybody. My wife, Baltic Tiger, and I have become bicycle evangelists, trying to espouse the virtues of cycling to everybody, and pretty much nobody has taken it up as seriously as we have. But a lot of family and friends have tried it and have enjoyed it. It just hasn't stuck. So hopefully, I suspect I'm preaching to the choir, because most people that check out this blog of mine nowadays are bicyclists, already avid and devoted to bicyclists. But if you're not, give it a shot. That's all I have to say this time. Until next time, I'm Howard. See ya.